In this video, I'm going to show you how Claude Code can handle all of your marketing in minutes. This is no exaggeration. You can have no marketing skills right now. You can activate these skills within minutes. So let's get into it. Okay, so on my screen right here, we have this repo of marketing skills, and this is from this guy, Corey Haynes 31. And you can see this GitHub repo has 5,100 stars on it, meaning that 5,100 people liked it. All you really need to understand, and again, I don't know how to code, okay, so you don't need to know how to code either, but you can see there's all these skills over here. So you have skills for copy editing, copywriting, email sequencing, form CRO, page CRO, paid ads, pop-up CRO, pricing strategy. So what does this all mean exactly? So for example, if someone on my team at my company, Single Grain, let's say they're on the SEO team, let's say they don't know how to do conversion rate optimization, okay? So let's say they want to do page CRO, which is page conversion rate optimization. They can invoke this skill and basically, so you can see here, it says when a user wants to optimize, improve, or increase conversions on any marketing page, including the homepage, landing pages, pricing pages, feature pages, or blog posts, or when they say CRO, you want to invoke this skill. So you're basically summoning this skill whenever you want, and it will ask you a couple of clarifying questions, and then it'll basically activate this for you, right? And so there's other things you can do here for, A/B testing setup, marketing ideas. I even had one where it helped me rewrite our landing page copy, and I did a couple revisions of it and did a really good job, and I'll show you that in a second. But the whole point here is that you still need to have taste when it comes to the different ideas that you have, but when it comes to waiting for someone to do something for you, you no longer have to do that. As an example, I actually had another video on this channel where we talked about how someone on my SEO team said it would take a week to get something done, and I literally did it in about 20 minutes or so. And not only did I do the original task, I did 4 times the amount. Okay, so I did, instead of 150 pages, I did 600 pages, and it took me 20 minutes. Obviously, we need to have a human in the loop there, and this was an SEO task. But my point of saying this is that you're going to be able to do a lot of these things faster because you can invoke these skills whenever you want. You basically have these superpowers now. So let me give you an example of what this looks like. And again, this might seem a little scary to you, the Claude Code setup and then using GitHub. Once you start to use this a little bit, it's really not that bad. And I think it's worth the pain to kind of get over that hump initially. And then you have activated these superpowers, right? Because good things don't come easily. Quick plug. If you want to win at AI SEO, then you got to check out ClickFlow at clickflow.com. It creates content that actually sounds like you, not AI slop. And there's a free 14-day free trial. Okay, back to it. Let me show you this in practice. So right now I'm logged into Claude Code. I'm using this within an IDE known as Cursor. And again, guys, I don't know how to code, so I don't want this to freak you out. I'm just showing you how easy this is, right? So if I wanted to do page CRO, you can see I can invoke a / command here, and you can use this in any version of Claude Code that you want. You can probably even use this within Claude Cowork if you want. You can call on these skills whenever you want. And honestly, you can go to that if you just search for the Corey Gaines 31 marketing skills. You can probably bring that into whatever. For example, Claude has Claude skills. You can probably just take that MD file and then have that create skills for you, right? And then you can call on them whenever you want within Claude. And you don't even need to have Claude Code set up or anything like that, right? And so for here, you can see it's using the Ask User question tool to ask me questions about a specific page. So I can put in a screenshot. I can describe the page. In this case, I'm just going to put in one of our product pages. Okay, so clickflow.com will be the URL. Primary conversion goal is signups, I would say. And then current conversion rate is 15%. Most traffic is coming from warm traffic, such as email right now. Okay. And to an extent, social. So the more context you can give this, the better, obviously. I'm having this run. Basically, it's going to think for me. And here's the thing. While this loads, I'm going to show you one of the final outputs that this thing actually had over here, okay? If you look at my screen over here where my cursor is, so this is the ClickFlow homepage copy. So this actually, I used the skill to help me rewrite a homepage that we had, and it actually went through a couple of revisions, right? And so I'm just going to call out maybe the top section over here. So what we originally had, okay, if you look at the optimized copy for the headline section, we look at the hero section. So it says, stop losing organic traffic to competitors who publish more than you. Primary CT start free, no credit card required. And then here's the social proof bar, right? This is kind of who we have right now. So this is just the hero section over here. Now it went through another revision and then another revision afterwards. And then what happened was the hero section now says why the best SEO teams stopped writing content. And so there's a pre-headline here, the continuous SEO system for B2B teams doing the work of 5. They didn't quit SEO, they automated it. So ClickFlow plans from your data, writes in your voice, and optimizes automatically. So 12x more content, 0 added headcount. So it's a lot more exciting when you're reading this, right? You don't want to hire a content team, you want to hire a system. Get your free content plan over here. Here's your email field, company URL, and then no credit card, your 30-day roadmap in 24 hours. And then here's some proof over here, $127,000 in pipeline, Sarah Chen from Goshes, that was kind of made up, right? And then urgency banner. So we onboard 15 teams per month to ensure quality, 7 spots remaining for February. Last month, we started waitlist by February 12th, right? Where we filled it. So my point of showing you this is that when you have these skills, this skill actually invokes on the wisdom of David Ogilvy, so advertising legend, Claude Hopkins, also advertising legend, Robert Cialdini, who wrote the book Influence, and you have a handful of other people in here, right, who it's pulling from. And then it's kind of grading each section over here. And so I would say this version that we have now is a lot more interesting to me. It gets me excited. And that was just the hero section, okay? And so how much money would you have to pay to get someone to write that copy for you? And how much money would you have to pay to invoke the wisdom of all these legends and also to do a couple revisions? You'd probably be paying tens of thousands of dollars for that type of expertise, right? And now you're able to call on that expertise whenever you want. And so that is the power of being able to invoke these skills. And I just had it literally rewrite that page, okay? I want to bring you to the output that it's given me now. So it did all this work over here. All I did was /page CRO. And so it asked me a couple questions and then boom, it just went. And you can see clickflow.com CRO analysis. Here's the conversion rate right now. Here's the core problem. The current live page and the V3 copy you have are 2 different products. The live site is a generic SaaS homepage. V3 is a conversion engineered sales page. So the one that I just pointed to you right now. Value proposition clarity, weak on the live site. So currently you have continuous SEO, right? This 2 headlines stacked on top of each other. The visitor seeing this for the first time parse it as word soup. And then V3 fixes this well. Why the best SEO team stop writing content? Like that might get you to stop and be like, whoa, like that's an interesting contrarian take on it, right? Like, have they really stopped writing content? And so it's basically saying, hey, this is mediocre, this is weak over here. Visual hierarchy is decent but flat. Trust signals and proof underutilized on live site. And so there's a lot of work that we're going to be doing here, right? And then here's like the impact and fix. Here's the friction points. Dual headlines, no pricing visibility. Get started goes to app.clickflow.com/onboarding. Medium. You want to add micro copy to get people to feel good about going to the next step. And so these are all good over here, right? And so my point is I can show this, literally I can invoke this skill whenever I want, and then I can use other prompts to enhance these skills over here. Or let's say I wanted to do something around programmatic SEO. I could literally do that if I wanted to. So I can type /programmatic SEO. The sky's the limit here. I don't want you to just feel like, what Corey Gaines had on his GitHub, that is the end all be all. You want to continue to develop your own skills, and then you want to hand those skills off to your team so they can build on them. So programmatic SEO, maybe I want to do them for Single Grain, which is my ad agency. And then, maybe I want it to help me do some research first, right? And then I can have it work like that. So I just want to show you how this works real quick, just to give you another example. Then that can get the wheels spinning for you. Because the key thing for you is not exactly to watch all these YouTube videos. It is to watch, understand, and then start doing. Because if you don't start doing, you're going to fall way behind. If you touch this stuff right now, you're going to be in the top 0.1% of people using this stuff. And then if you learn how to use the next levels, there are multiple levels of this. I actually have another video on the 6 levels of Claude. Then you're going to be like a, 0.0001, like 1% user, right? So look, it's pulling all these different things right now. It's auditing the current pages that we have on Single Grain. It's looking at, a couple of these different, .md files that we have on how we do SEO proposals or whatever it is exactly. And it's fetching our sitemap. It's looking at the location sitemap. And by the way, I have actually never done it this way before. And it's interesting to watch it put together this programmatic SEO strategy just by doing research. Because previously what I was doing is I was just feeding it data that we had. And I was also pulling from the Ahrefs MCP. I was also pulling from Google Analytics and Google Search Console, which is already connected to. MCPs are model context protocols, which allow these LLMs to talk to the different tools that you use and the tools that you pay for. And that way you're able to get a lot of these insights a lot faster, right? So you can see it's working in a sequence, a logical sequence right now. And it's calling out a couple things. Hey, this MCP is not working for you. Let's pull from GSC. And so my point of showing this to you is saying that anything is possible now. Let's say, you want to run a bunch of paid media ads. We actually used Claude Code to come up with an ad strategy for Carrot, which is our LinkedIn campus marketing product. That plan has been sitting there for about 2 weeks or so. Our team hasn't gotten to it yet. And so, what's to say that I can't go to Claude Code or even Claude Cowork and just have it do it for me, or get it very close, right? Where we can just do it ourselves. And so there really shouldn't be any more excuses nowadays, I think, because anything is possible. So there shouldn't be, I'm overwhelmed as much before. There shouldn't be, this is just, I'm overwhelmed, I'm overworked, right? Because a lot of when I'm doing this stuff myself, I'm like, whoa, not only can I do it a lot faster, I can do it higher volume and I can do it at pretty good quality as well. And I would say not pretty good, really good quality, and you want to make sure that you have a human in the loop. You want to make sure that you're as I'm letting this load, you want to make sure that you're bringing people with you that want to, that live and breathe this stuff, that think about this stuff all the time. Okay, so now it's done the research, and this is amazing to me. This is a first-time experience for me because it's done the research for me and it's looked at my site. Here's the programmatic SEO strategy for single grain. So you already have the PSEO infrastructure. So you have 440 location pages across 5 services, 47 cities. You have 50 agency pages. Your top performers have 3,000 clicks a month. 18 service pages. So service pages / service. Underperforming. Your location pages are thin, templated content, city name swaps only. 440 pages generated, 170 total clicks in 3 months. That's 0.13 clicks page per month. The infrastructure exists, but it's not working. Okay. So persona, service for industry. This is your highest ROI new PSEO play. Here's why. So SEO agency for startups, marketing agency for small businesses. We can mess with this, right? Google is already showing single grain for industry specific, but you have no dedicated pages to capture them. This is good. So I wasn't aware of this, right? And so widest beats other playbooks, feasibility, personas industry, high, proven GSC demand, high intent, defensible case study, skills that 100 plus SEO pages, location fix existing 440 pages, but so fixing these pages would be good. Comparison versus pages as well. ROI is like, this is really good. And I would say we want to focus on SaaS, B2B startups. And when we mention startup, we really mean startups have been funded really well. Probably not small business. I would say B2B. So I like to focus this strategy on number 1, 2, 5. Manufacturing usually works B2B. So I'm going to say we can take that. Also for these pages, we can often pull relevant or at least new content from the marketing school or leveling up YouTube channel and consistently when it makes sense, right? So my point of showing you this now is I'm working with it. It's done a lot of the thinking, but I have a lot of things that I can add myself. 440 location. By the way, if nobody was on top of this right now, because I'm going to send this to my team afterwards, if nobody was on top of it, then this will just start to continue to decay, right? And so when someone on your team just says, hey, like they know how to time, they're too busy or whatever, and you understand your business as a founder and you have the taste, not only do you understand your business well, you understand the best angles to attack, you should be the one that's attacking this, right? These are numbers that we'll have to mess with and continue to train whatever Claude system that you're using. But I'm just telling you that these skills using any form of Claude, whether it's Claude Code, or whatever it is exactly, you have so much power at your fingertips now. This is what I'll say. I mean, I'm just going to tell it to continue to work here. I also want you to imagine this. So you have all these different tabs running these different skills. And if you're able to brainstorm using the help of Claude, and then you're able to hand it off to people on your team who are also empowered by Claude, just how much faster are you going to be? Because the math I did on this was this. Let's say I'm 25 to 30 times faster using Claude Code, okay? Now, if I'm able to layer on some of these new things that are coming, Claude basically said I'm going to add a 5 to 10x multiplier on that. So I'm going to be 300 times faster now. So the time to strike is now, and that's why you watch this video. And I would encourage you to watch this next video over here on the 6 different levels, the 6 levels of Claude, just to understand all the powers that you have available to you. I'll see you over there.